Want to create eye-catching product packaging using Canva? In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can do that. First, you want to open Canva. You can open it on a web browser and head over to canva.com. Now click Create a Design. Choose custom size and enter your die line dimensions in pixels, inches, or millimeters, whatever matches your print specs. This ensures your layout fits perfectly when it's manufactured. Next, you want to choose a template or start fresh. Browse the packaging section for pre-made box, label, or pouch templates. Select one that suits your style or click blank to build from the ground. Now upload your logo, product photos, and brand fonts to the Uploads tab. Drag and drop them onto your design, then use the text tool to enter product names, ingredient list, and legal details. Adjust font size, colors, and alignment to maintain a clean hierarchy. Enhance your packaging with icons, patterns, or illustrations from Canva's library. Use the color picker to match your brand palette exactly by entering hex codes. Now enable View Show Print Bleed to see the bleed area and keep crucial text and logos within the inner safe zone to avoid accidental cropping. Make sure background colors extend past the bleed lines for seamless edge after trimming. This generates a high resolution file, and that's it. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.